What's up guys, so before I get into this video, these are the materials you're gonna need. Now this is a very simple project, so if you don't have any materials you can go find them at any store basically. They're very easy to find. So firstly what I did right here was measure the length of my arm, just to make sure what's gonna be the length of the shield. And now I'm gonna be folding the piece of cardboard in half so it has sort of like these aerodynamic type of shape. Now in here I don't have specific measurements because it's basically the size of your arm and how the shield fits your arm perfectly, so I'm just going ahead and measuring to see how much I'm gonna cut of the cardboard. It's depending on the length of your arm, and from there you just start shaping the shield. Of course, try to make it symmetrical. I based myself off of the image of Cap holding the shield in Wakanda. I also got some reference images of Google. Be careful because it might be or too wide for your arm or too short. In this case it was too wide for my arm, so I had to cut a little bit more, so yeah. Now if you take a close look at the shield, you can see that it has kind of like layers. This part that we're doing right now is the top layer, and there are gonna be like bottom layers coming out of it, like so. Now for the medium layer, you're gonna paste it and you're gonna glue the part that's not gonna be showing. And for the last layer, you're also gluing the part that's not gonna be showing. Now for the details of the shield, I'm gonna use the extra cardboard that I didn't use, and I'm basing myself off the images, but I'm also adding some pieces that don't necessarily have to go, but I think will look really cool at the end. So then I finished gluing the details, and I don't know why my camera stopped recording. I couldn't record making the handles and painting the shield. So in the last clip I already have the shield all completed, but I'm still showing the parts that I missed to record. So yeah, my bad.